Chapter 9 Maps are Companions. Maps are our helpful companions that show the location of places like mountains, rivers, and cities. They guide us in understanding the world and make traveling and learning about geography easier. Today, we are going to talk about something very useful and interesting: maps. Have you ever seen a map? Maybe in an atlas or on your phone? A map is like a drawing that tells us where places are, like mountains, rivers, roads, and cities. What is a map? A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it. It helps us know where things are, like your school, your house, or even a mountain. Maps show us land, rivers, forests, roads, and buildings. That's why maps are our companions. They guide us. Maps in history. Maps were used even thousands of years ago, especially during wars. Soldiers used maps to know where to go, where the enemy was, and how the land looked. So you see, even in the old days, maps helped people find their way. Earth's surface and landforms. Now, we know the Earth's surface is not flat, right? It has mountains, valleys, hills, and plains. To show these landforms on flat paper, maps use lines called contour lines, different colors, symbols, and signs. These show us whether the land is high or low, steep or flat. Different types of maps. Let me tell you something cool. The same place can be shown in different types of maps. One map may use lines to show height. Another may use colors like green, brown, or yellow. One may use symbols and labels to show trees, water, roads, etc. All these types help us understand the land better. Using maps in real life. Maps are not just for school. You can use maps when going on a school trip or visiting a fort. If the fort is on a hill, the map can tell you how high it is, where to go, which path is safe. So maps help in planning and reaching safely. Symbols. Maps are full of small symbols like trees, hospitals, or temples. These are called conventional symbols. Also, maps use colors: green for lowland, brown or dark for high hills, blue for rivers or lakes. These help you read the map easily. Do you know who makes maps of India? The Survey of India is the office that makes official maps of our country. It started in 1767 and is located in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. They make sure the maps are correct and detailed. What we have learned. Maps show us where things are on land. They help us see height, roads, rivers, and land types. Colors and symbols make the map easy to read. Maps are used in history, travel, school, and real life. Reading maps is an important and useful skill.